Hello students. So what we'll do is today we'll discuss a case study on continuation with the AI. So what we'll do is we will think of implementing the open LLM which we discussed in a project. So imagine you're all students. So you are looking for a AI tutor. So AI system which can do or answer questions to you from a particular source. For example, you are studying a subject like any subject you can tell. What subject? Computer networks. Computer network. So you have some query in computer networks. You have to get answer from the textbook. You need textbook answer. If you search in Google, will it give textbook answer? No. It will give a general answer. You may not find it useful. Similarly, if you use ChatGPT to get the answer, you think it will be similar to your textbook or it will be a general answer. It will be a general answer. It may not contain what information you are looking. For example, if you are looking to upgrade your knowledge on computer networks, answer from ChatGPT may not be suitable. From exam point of view also it may not be suitable. So what you need is you need a system which answers from your particular source. So can you think of anything which is suitable for that?
RAG.
So you can use RAG. So what is RAG? Abbreviation for RAG?
So Retrieval-Augmented
Generation. Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So what is that?
It's a AI framework and it's retrieve information from the external source to provide LLM to generate accuracy and context information. And we needed RAG because of traditional AI models or just give an answer from pre-trained knowledge. So it's causes some problems like outdated information and answer from hallucinations. So RAG is good for this to solve this.
Okay, so what we said is, if you rely on LLM for knowledge itself, it will retrieve knowledge from only its training data. So whatever data it has been trained, it knows only that. If you need some updated information, for example, if you ask ChatGPT about what happened today morning, it may not know because it will not be in its training data. So what you should do is, as he said, with RAG what you can do, you can update the knowledge. For example, if computer network books you are having, if you upload the computer networks to the LLM, then it may refer it and give the answer. So it is not simple uploading the book, it has some process. Can you explain what are the process in RAG?
First we want to upload data or collect data from external books, PDF, resources. So we can able to upload it. So after we upload, we can able to process the document and we can able to generate into data chunks or embedding system. So the embeddings can be stored in a library. Okay. Where from that library we can able to access the questions and answers.
Okay. So I'll just give a polished idea of your source. So what you said is you need some PDF. So PDF will be your source. So what you have to do is you have to first split the PDF into relevant files. For example, in computer networks there may be a topic like network architecture. So that will be a separate topic. Then network security is a separate topic. You have to split it into topic wise. Then what you have to do is you have to convert them into embeddings. So embeddings are nothing but it is a form of numbers. Can machine understand words? It only understands numbers, binary numbers, zeros and one. So you have to convert it into such numbers. So that is called as embedding. So after embedding, what you said, you have to store it in a database, library. So that library is called as a vector database. So from that vector database, you can retrieve the relevant information. And the relevant information will be added to your prompt. So hence retrieval augmented generation. So information will be retrieved, it will be added to your prompt and it will be given to the LLM. So then the LLM can structure it and give it as a output. So that is regarding RAG. So now we have finalized RAG. Now we have to use a LLM. So as we already discussed, LLMs are paid to use. There are some open source LLM also. Can you elaborate what are the open source LLMs available?
Sir, like Meta's Gemma and Microsoft Pi.
Okay, so actually Meta's Llama.
Sir, actually Microsoft Pi is specialized for coding and research purposes. Gemma is used for chatbot assistant and AI tutor level.
Okay. So any other models are available?
Sir, in Meta Llama, we can have various models, various RAMs, various size of models, and in Microsoft One 3.0, especially One 3.0, have a faster outputs.
Okay. So based on the model, the application will be used. For example, if you need to analyze image, you can go for vision-based models. If you need to just analyze text, then you can go for text-based models. So we can download this model. That is not a thing, but you have to use it. You need some hardware. So is it possible to run such models in a simple laptop?
Using the continuous method.
We can do it, but it is not a fast process. It will take so much time. So there is a technology particularly available for that. So what is the name? Quantization. So what is quantization?
Which in uploading the huge books, that already the model source takes some amount of storage. Like example, we say Llama takes up to 7 billion data, takes up to 8 to 12 GB. Then we are uploading our books. It takes another some more GPs. So it stores a huge amount of data and takes a huge time. So instead of using the full data, it removes the unwanted data, like quantities into 32 bits into 8 bits. But the storage will be reduced, but the accuracy will be expensive.
Okay.
But it is easy to run it even low efficiency.
So by quantization, what you can do is you can take a large model and convert it into a small model, so that you can use it to your day-to-day devices. For example, the main constraint is RAM. If you need to run a 15 GB model, you need a 15 GB RAM, because without that it will crash. The size of RAM should be more than the model, then only the model will run. So if you are doing quantization, then the model size will be reduced, then you can use in a device. But without GPU, the token speed may be less. For example, for our project, there is no need for token speed. If I ask a question, if it takes 2 minutes, then it's not a problem. We can use it. So hence, for such startup projects, these open source models are a good example. So hope you are able to understand this case study. Thank you, students.
Thank you.